neighbors helping neighbors, doing rescue work. There goes one would-be rescuer. Okay, let's see if this house has any water damage. Looks like they've got some water in here. Is there water in your house, ma'am?
There's water in this room. There's water downstairs. This room.
Yeah. And there's a downstairs, so I'll have water in it.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be too bad though, right? Oh, I see a few inches of water in the floor there. Surely it's not that dangerous or anything. Oh no! There's someone stranded in the flooded basement. Oh, wait. Rescue squads are on their way.
I'm coming for you. Nobody's gonna die today. Not in my room. I don't know how to swim. Crawl in with me, little boy. Oh, this is awkward. Maybe you will die. You ready? Yeah. Where are we going? We're going back out in the hall. I'll take you up the stairs.
The kayak can't take that much weight.
I'll come back for you with a bigger boat. Sure.